This video is going to show you the first, second, and third Newton's law of motion. We're going to watch some sports and identify Newton's law. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is Newton's first law of motion. First law states that in the absence of an unbalanced force, an object at rest remains at rest and an object in motion remains in motion at a constant speed in a straight line, which inertia occurs. Inertia is the natural tendency of an object to remain at rest or to remain moving with a constant speed in a straight line. Let's observe the ice skater skating on ice. As you observed, the inertia is applied to the ice skater as she's gliding on the ice. While she's gliding on ice, she remains in motion. Newton's second law of motion. The second law states that the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the unbalanced force acting on it, and it's inversely proportional to the object's mass. The direction of the acceleration is the same as the direction of an unbalanced force. Let's observe the golf ball. The acceleration is applied to the golf ball, which it causes the ball to speed up. The acceleration is stronger than the first one, which it causes the ball to go further than the first ball. More acceleration means more distance. The golf player applied different forces in each ball. Force is a push-or-pull movement exerted on an object. Doing work is a force. The weight can also affect the acceleration of an object. Now let's talk about momentum. What is momentum? Momentum is the product of an object's velocity and its mass. The ball's momentum is zero until the baseball bat makes contact with it. In this collision, the baseball experiences force for a very small amount of time. This force changes the momentum of the baseball, where the baseball's mass speeds up. Newton's third law of motion. The third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. When you bounce a basketball, before you let go of the ball, as long as it is in your hands, the ball has potential energy. Potential energy is energy stored in an object. Once you throw it down or let it fall by itself, it has kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is energy in motion. What is the center of mass? The center of mass is a point representing the mean position of the matter in a body or system.